Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView with AI. First, navigate to the Indicators section on your TradingView chart. Search for AI-powered scripts or community-developed AI tools. Apply these indicators directly to your chosen assets, like stocks or crypto. This integration helps you identify potential trends and patterns more efficiently. It's a powerful way to augment your traditional technical analysis. Once you've added an AI indicator, take time to customize its parameters. Many AI tools offer adjustable sensitivity or look-back periods. For example, you might set a predictive indicator to analyze the last 200 bars of data. Pay close attention to the signals generated. They can highlight divergences or convergences that human eyes might miss. Remember, AI assists, it doesn't replace your judgment. TradingView's Strategy Tester is invaluable for AI strategies. Load your AI script into the tester and run it against historical data. This allows you to see how your strategy would have performed over various market conditions. Analyze metrics like net profit, drawdown, and win rate. Adjusting parameters based on backtesting results can significantly refine your approach, aiming for a higher percentage of successful trades. Beyond basic indicators, TradingView offers advanced AI features, including machine learning-based forecasting models. These can provide deeper insights into future price movements. Consider combining several AI tools, perhaps an AI trend indicator with an AI volatility predictor, for a more robust analysis. This multifaceted approach can give you a significant edge. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.